All right, this is 83. If you have not yet done number 5 on the worksheet, please do it. Check it out. See if you can do 83 all by yourself, and then come back to this so we can make sure that you have some good practice where you're thinking through yourself. That being said, we, as usual, look at what our options are. We are missing both of those sides, so SSS is out. It looks like we have 2 sides and an angle in between it, so that's what we're going to attempt to show. Oh, I didn't put letters on this here. Like B, A, and C. So I'm going to say that angle B is equal to angle L, because both of them were given to us that they were 40. And now I need to set up some ratios for my sides. So this is the smaller of the two, and 3 is also the smaller of the two. So I'm going to say 3 is to 6. I'm then going to do the larger of the two to the larger of the two. So happy days. They're both exactly the same. So I'm using ratios to set those up. All of these come together to say triangle A, B, C is similar to triangle. A is this one here, so that must be K because it's 40 across the short. 40 across the short gives us our K. B is the 40, and so L is the 40, and M. And it will be SAS, triangle similarity. Let's go ahead and get another paper out. Let's look at some of the ones from 84. Again, if you haven't done them yet, please go back, do them right away, and then come back to the video so you can see what's going on here. So for this one here, there are a total of 6 triangles, and we're first of all trying to decide which ones might go with which ones. So if you're looking at all of these, I see, well, these have a bunch of angles, these have a bunch of angles, these have all the sides, these have all the sides, this has 110 and 110. So I'm going to do the 110s first. For the 110s, I would have, so again, this is 3-84, so make sure that you're following along in your text with the pictures. I have that angle E is equal to angle M because they were both told to us that it was 110. And I have, in this one, it is easy to find the ratios. 3's are going to go together and the 5's are going to go together. So I'm going to say 3 over 3 equals 1, and I'm also going to say 5 over 5 equals 1. And these are both ratios. And these all come together to state triangle EFD is similar to triangle, and E was the angle that was given here, so I'm going to put that with M. And then F went along the short side, so along the short side is P, and then N. And I did use SAS, triangle similarity. Now this one is a little bit different, because in this one here, not only are they similar, they're actually congruent, because they actually do have a 1-to-1 ratio. So on that one there, we'll come back and look at that later, but that one is an important one to recognize, that it's actually congruent as well. So let's look again. So we've done these two together here. I want to put these guys together because I don't have any angles, but I do have all the sides. So we haven't done these in the videos yet today. So I have, first of all, 2 is with 4, because those are both the smaller ones. And I have 3 goes with 6, and also 3 goes with 6. So I have 3 sets of ratios, and that is enough to give me similarity by SSS. So this one here, you actually had all 6, so you can use SSS to do that. And then I would say triangle SRQ is similar to triangle. S is going to go with either G or H, and R is going to go with either H or G, but I has to go with Q. And again, the reason for that is both of these are identical, so you can have this side go with this side, or you can have this side here go with that side. So either one, both of them would actually be okay on that particular one. Let's go ahead and look at the very last one. The very last one, it's got to be some sort of angles. We're not given any sides at all, so I do need to see if I can actually have all angles there. So first of all, we have 2 90s. We have angle A is equal to angle K, because those are both 90. But then I do need to find a missing angle. So I need to find angle B. So angle B plus 90 plus 36 is equal to 180. So angle B is equal to 54. Now the reason I'm allowed to set that up is triangles equal 180. Now that I have 54, I can say angle B is equal to angle J because of substitution. I was given one piece, and because angle J is equal to 54, and I'm able to put those guys together to get that those guys are equal to each other. So I have that set of angles and that set of angles. It's going to give me AA similarity, and we would say triangle ABC is similar to triangle A was 90, and so was K. B was the 54, and so was J, and C was the 36, which so was L. So those would be the two triangles that are similar to each other.